Hey, are you thinking about working in Germany but don't have a job offer yet? Or you think that you need a German degree to get a job in Germany? Then the Opportunity Card, also known as Chancenkarte, might be just what you need. The Opportunity Card is a German visa meant for international professionals who want to move to Germany to look for a job. This allows you to stay in the country for up to 1 year, apply for jobs, attend interviews, explore Germany and the German job market, and eventually find employment here. So, what other benefits does the Chancenkarte hold? Besides easier access to the German job market, you'll be allowed to work part-time for up to 20 hours as you look for your full-time job. And you'll be even allowed to take up trial jobs with potential employers for up to 2 weeks to see if it will be a good fit. And once you secure a job, you can transition to a work permit, and within a few years, you'll be eligible for PR. So, how can you get the Opportunity Card? Well, it's a point-based system, and this means that you need to score at least 6 points across 7 categories to qualify. Let's take a look at them. The first category is language skills. Depending on your English and German language skills, you can score up to 4 points here. In the second category, having your qualifications from your home country officially recognized as equivalent to German standards scores you 4 points. Third, having work experience in your field is very important and can score you up to 3 points. Your age is also considered for the Opportunity Card. If you're under 35, you receive 2 points, and if you're between 35 and 40, you receive 1 point. Next, if you're qualified to work in a profession that is currently facing a shortage in Germany, like healthcare or engineering, you get 1 point. Also, if you have lived in Germany for at least 6 months before, you also get 1 point. And the last category is, if you're applying for the Opportunity Card together with your spouse, one of you gets an extra point. In addition to the points, you'll also need to show proof of finances to cover your living costs. The most common way is through a blocked account, which you can open with Fintiba. You'll also need to show proof of health insurance, which you can also get with Fintiba, and finally, a CV and a letter of motivation. So, if you gather at least 6 points and meet all the other requirements, how do you go about the application process? This is very simple. Just visit the website of your local German embassy and follow the instructions that they provide. Some embassies allow online applications, while others will need you to go in person and submit your documents. After application is approved, you'll get your Opportunity Card and your new adventure begins. The Chancenkarte gives you the perfect opportunity to take a step towards building your career in Germany. So, if you're ready to make the move, visit our website and discover how we at Fintiba support you on your journey to Germany.